Hi guys, my name is Olga Larnaudie. I live in French Alpes and I'm a natural cosmetic formulator. I've been making my own cosmetics for more than 20 years now. Here on my channel I want to share with you my experience, my ideas, my recipes, and to help you to make your beauty routine a little bit greener and safer for you and for our planet. We're going to make a body butter for little ones, for newborn babies and for moms. This is a great, safe, 100% natural product which helps you to take care of the skin of little ones, and also can be used by future moms during pregnancy, because this body butter helps to prevent the stretch marks, the appearance of stretch marks on your belly. I used this recipe when I was pregnant with my son and I had a huge belly, like 8-9 months. Seriously, it was impressive. My husband couldn't stop laughing every time I passed by. I was like floating like a submarine in our apartment. I started to use this product, this body butter, on the second trimester of my pregnancy, and it worked like really great. I don't have any stretch marks on my belly left after my pregnancy. Of course, there are a lot of factors that influences and that causes the appearance of stretch marks, but proper skin care during pregnancy really helps. We make this body butter with shea butter, and shea butter, it's a great natural ingredient to use during pregnancy because it's safe, and also it contains the fatty acids, particular fatty acids that helps to increase the elasticity of your skin. And the best part is that when your little one is born, you can continue to use this product for yourself or to take care of the skin of your baby. Basically, the formula of this body butter is very simple, pure and clean. We use only 4 ingredients. We use shea butter, we use sweet almond oil, we use a little bit of starch, which helps to create a smooth and nice texture and makes this butter non-sticky and non-greasy. And we add some vitamin E, which helps to protect your oils and butters from oxidation. And today I'm also going to add another ingredient, which is bisabolol, and it has very soothing and calming properties. So it helps to fight the irritations and redness. Normally you can find this ingredient on a website which sells ingredients for natural cosmetics. I'm gonna leave you all the useful links below this video. I would actually advise against using essential oil, because essential oils are very active, and actually it has an ability to penetrate deeper and enter the bloodstream. And normally we do not use essential oils during pregnancy or breastfeeding, or like during first 6 months of life of the baby. Well, of course, if you follow the advice of your doctor, then yes. Otherwise, in homemade DIY product, no essential oils. Shea butter and sweet almond butter normally are very well tolerated by kids, but there are always some exceptions, especially sweet almond oil, and there might be an allergic reaction. So before applying this product on a big surface, always make an allergy test. As soon as it is melted, you should take it off and cool it down while constantly stirring. And this is very important step. If you skip it, if you don't stir, you just put it and leave it to cool down itself, then after several days you're gonna have crystals, like small grains in your body butter, which is not very nice. Now you have to mix all the ingredients and have to put it on a cold bain-marie and take out your mixer and just mix it to make it fluffier and creamier. You're gonna see that your mixture actually changes its color, it becomes whiter and it has this nice and smooth creamy texture. And as soon as you like the texture, you just put it into a jar. Very nice, skin-friendly, 100% natural, biodegradable product. If you found this video useful, please follow my channel so that you're not gonna miss new recipes. Thank you and see you next time. Au revoir!